Fancy, 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 fancy. Here at the Fresh Market, tradition. My first time getting coffee here. Part of the deal when you join their rewards, I'm getting their breakfast sandwich and egg croissant. I got 2 apples. I got myself a pear. They are at the best prices. This high tech machine. It's coming with oat milk too. It's a cappuccino. See the choices? I tried to get a macchiato twice. It wasn't working, but there's cappuccino. Check her out, baby. Oat milk and the egg croissants. They got the Rave apples, $1.99 a pound. I got these pears. This pear right here, very low cost too.